morning, Wahyuningrum. It's a pleasure to meet you today. How are you?
Good morning, thank you. I'm doing well. I'm glad to be here and have the opportunity to discuss this position.
We are happy to have you here as well. Before we begin, can you tell us a bit about your education background? What made you choose the data detection program at Jambi University?
Of course, I'm happy to share. I chose the detection because I have always been interested in the world of taxation and how tax play a role in national development. At Jambi University, I gained a lot of knowledge about tax calculation, reporting, and Indonesian tax regulation. Additionally, I enjoy the challenge that come with this field.
That's a great choice. Education in protection is indeed very important. During your studies, was there a particular experience that stood out to you or perhaps a challenge you faced?
Yes, there were several memorable experiences. One of them was when I participated in a tax administration simulation. In that simulation, I learned to input taxpayer data, calculate tax out, and prepare reporting document. Although it felt challenging at first, I was very satisfied when I successfully completed. That experience taught me the importance of accuracy and discipline in managing data.
Very interesting. Accuracy and discipline are indeed crucial in this field. Although you don't have formal work experience yet, how do you assess your ability to work in team?
I believe I have good communication skills and can adapt well in a team. During my studies, I was often involved in group projects where we had to work together and achieve common goals. I always strive to listen to my peers' opinions and contribute positively. I also feel comfortable working independently and taking responsibility for the tasks assigned to me.
That's a very good attitude. In the work that challenge with certainly others, how do you usually handle those challenges?
When facing challenge, I tend to analyze the situation carefully. I try to understand the root of the problem and find the right solution. If I feel stuck, I don't hesitate to ask for help from my professor or friend. I believe that every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow.
Very nice. What motivation you to first career in tax administration?
I feel that tax are one of the important pillars of national development. I want to contribute to ensuring that tax administration runs smoothly and in accordance with applicable regulations. Additionally, I enjoy learning new things and feel that things offer many opportunities for growth.
Thank you, Wahyunindu. Before we conclude, do you have any question for me about the company or this position?
Yes, I would like to know more about the work culture in this company and how the tax administration team collaborate with other departments.
Certainly, we have a collaboration and supportive work culture. A team often work together with other departments to ensure that all aspects of transaction are managed well. We also encourage professional development and continual learning.
Thank you for this explanation. I really appreciate this opportunity and hope to be a part of this team.
Can you tell me about a time what you had to work under pressure to meet a deadline?
During my studies, I had to work on a group project that had a tight deadline. We had to work together to complete the project on time, and I was responsible for ensuring that all the data was accurate and complete. I was able to manage my time effectively and communicate with my team members to ensure that we meet the deadline.
That's great to hear. Do you handle conflict completing preparational in the workplace.
I will prioritize my tasks based on their urgency and importance. I will also communicate with my team members and manager to ensure that everyone is aware of the priorities and deadline.
Thank you, Hyuni Group. We will contact you after the selection process is complete. Best of luck.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing you from you.
One more thing, Hyuni Group. Can you tell me about your long-term career goal?
My long-term career goal is to become a tax expert and contribute to the development of tax policy in Indonesia. I believe that this goal will provide me with the opportunity to gain valuable experience and skills that will help me achieve my goals.
That's a great goal. Thank you, Hyuni Group, for sharing your goal with us today.
Okay, Natasha. Good morning. Thank you for coming today. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm glad to be here. I've been looking forward to this opportunity to discuss my qualification and learn more about the company.
Can you tell me a little about your educational background?
Certainly, I graduated with a diploma in protection from Yam University. Throughout my studies, I focused on accounting, protection, and financial data analysis. I also worked on several academic projects that helped my effort this concept in practical ways, such as preparing financial report and tax simulation.
That's great to hear. As you know, our company is looking for someone with a strong foundation in taxation and accounting. Can you tell me more about your experience with tax preparation and financial analysis? How do you stay up to date with change in tax law and regulation?
During my studies, I had the opportunity to work on several tax-related projects, include tax simulation and financial analysis. I also make it a point to stay current with challenges in tax laws and regulation by reading industry publication and attending seminars.
Excellent. Do you have any prior work or internship experience?
Not yet, but I'm eager to gain more experience. I'm confident that my academic background and my experience for learning will help me adapt quickly.
I see. Well, we do offer training and development program for our employees to help them grow and develop their skill. Can you tell me about the time when you have to learn something new and challenging? How did you approach it?
During my studies, I had to learn how to use accounting software that I had never used before. I approached it by reading the user manual and watching online tutorials. I also practical using the software on several data to get a feel for how I work.
That's great to hear. As a tax professional, attention to detail is crucial. Can you tell me about a time when you have to review and analyze financial data for accuracy and completeness?
In one of my academic projects, I had to review and analyzing financial data for a fictional company. I made sure double check all the numbers and ensure the data was accurate and complete.
Excellent. Why are you interested in working at our company?
I admire your company commitment of the efficient and complete with financial regulars that align well with me interest and career goals. I believe working hard will allow me to grow professional and contribute meaningfully.
That's great to hear. We're looking for someone who is not only qualified but also a good fit for our company culture. Can you tell me about your experience working in a team environment? How do you handle conflict or disagreements with team members?
I have had experience working on group projects during my studies, and I believe that effective communication and collaboration are key to success. If conflict or disagreement arise, I try to listen to the other person's perspective and find a solution that working for everyone.
Alright, Natasha. Thank you for your time today. We'll be in touch after the selection process.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. I really appreciate and I'm looking forward to hear from you soon.
One more thing, Natasha. Can you tell me about your long-term career goals? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
My long-time career goals is to become a tax expert and contribution to the development of tax policy in Indonesia. I know that this role will provide me with the opportunity to gain valuable experience and skill that will help me achieve my goals.
That's a great goal. Thank you, Natasha, for sharing your talk with us today. Do you have any question for me about the company or the role?
Yes, actually, can you tell me more about the company culture and the opportunity for professional development?
Certainly, our company culture is collaborative and supportive, and we prioritize employee development and growth. We offer training and development programs as well as opportunities for advancement and career growth.